Hi everybody, here Philippe, Florida Costume Merch. Talking to you today about napkins, costume printed napkins. Wonderful idea, trying to make them look really special and everything else. We actually got a sample in the mail of napkins with texture, and that texture was fancy, but when it got printed, you could barely read it, and that is not good. They selected silver, which we understand why in this situation where they were trying to give a rich impression. But unfortunately, the silver didn't do well on the textured background of the napkin, and it was almost impossible to read. I mean, you can read it. The interesting thing is that if the room is bright, you can barely read it. If the room is darker, you can read it a little bit better. But the thing is, you can't always measure that. And you have to make sure that whatever you're printing is going to work in almost any environment for whatever you're using it for. Give us a call. We'll help you with your costume printed napkins to make sure that they are done right and they represent your company as best as possible. This is Philippe, Florida Costume Merch, helping our customers with costume branded merch marketing. 386 400 2666. Be well.